welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brooke St. John. And today is my 18th birthday. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me birthday edition. And I'm just going to my birthday dinner tonight with my family and friends. But always when it's my birthday, I do a really glam look. So I wanted to do a get ready with me video for that. And right now I'm just chilling in a t-shirt. But at the end, after I finish my makeup, I'll show you guys a little bit of how I do my hair, how I curl it. It's already a little bit curled, but I'm going to go over it, so I'll show you guys a little bit how I do that. And then at the very end, I'm going to show you guys my outfit that I'm wearing and tell you guys like the details on it, where it's from. But yeah, in this video, since it's a get ready with me and it's not a tutorial, I'm still going to be showing you guys like what I'm doing and what products I'm using, but I'm not gonna like, you know, go into really deep depth with it. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So without further ado, let's get glam. Alright guys, I'm of course going to start off by moisturizing my face, and I'm using the Rada Beauty moisturizer. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Guys, my pool guy, like the guy that's doing my pool, just walked in, and he's a little bit older, and I guess he didn't see me sitting here. Like, I was legit just sitting here and my door's right there to outside, and he walked in. I said hello, and he goes like, he was so scared. And you know, like I said, he's a little bit older. I think I literally gave him a heart attack and I feel so bad. And then he walked back there and he's like, oh, do you still go to Second? And that was like the high school I went to, and I was like, no. It's fine though, it's fine. Alright, now I'm going to prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Does anyone else think it's like really so freaking sad? Like, after your 16th birthday, like that is like the only like, oh my god, like I'm so excited it's my birthday. Like, I'm still like happy it's my birthday, but like after your 16th birthday until you're like obviously 21, like it's just like, yeah, just another year, whatever. But I just feel like literally my 16th birthday was the best day of my life. I'm not even kidding. Like 17 was especially just like the most boring thing, and I literally felt like I was 17 for 17 years. But actually, usually, like, my birthday's obviously in April, but usually like my birthday from January to April, it takes so long because like I get so excited. So it takes so long, those what, like 4 months to get to April, and this one just flew by. Like, this year is going by so fast. I cannot believe it's already my birthday. Crazy. Now that we prime the eyelids, just going to tape my eyes up to create that straight line. Alright guys, now that we taped up and primed our eyes, I'm just going to set that primer with this shade out of the Morphe 35B palette. And they don't have shade names on these, so I'm just gonna point to which shade I'm using today. I feel like in the beginning I said I wasn't gonna go like deep into what I'm doing, but I am. It's just a habit. Like, I just feel like I have to tell you guys every little thing, or else I'm just not doing my job, you know? Alright, so just taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that I use every single time, and just going to apply that all over the lid and the crease to, you know, set that primer. Guys, now that we set that primer, I'm going to dive back in 35B palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. And normally, as you guys know, if you've watched my other videos, I would tell you guys to like apply like a really light tan or brown shade before you do any other shades. But when I do looks like when I have green, blue, or like red in the crease, if I apply that like brown tan shade underneath like a green, it just looks so weird. So when I do like colorful shades in the crease, I just go ahead and apply that down, and then I just really work with blending it. Just taking that same brush that I used to set my primer, and I'm going to apply that shade in my crease. By the way, if you can't tell, obviously going for like a turquoise, teal / green look today. I couldn't figure out, I'm wearing a yellow shirt, and I couldn't figure out what color shadow to do. Like, I was in the car with my boyfriend and I was literally thinking about life, thinking about what color eyeshadow I should do with the yellow shirt, and he's like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "No, I'm not."
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
But then I figured it out, so hopefully it looks good. Guys, it's so weird that like my last 2 videos that I've done have been like a brown smoky eye, like legit. Even in my everyday video, my everyday makeup video that I uploaded, like I use like a peachy color. Like I just like I obviously like natural colors, but I'm just all about like really colorful eye looks. And like it's so weird to me that my last 2 videos have been like natural, like brown. Alright guys, now that I blended all of that, I'm just going to take the color above that, this green shade, and apply that with the same brush still over that, and then just gonna keep blending that too. Alrighty, now I'm just going to take this shade. Why is that always so hard? This shade, and I'm just going to apply this and the next shade that I'm going to apply in the outer corner very lightly. I don't want a lot, just to add a little bit of depth. That's it. Now I'm just going to apply this shade, the same place we just applied that last shade, in the outer V. Alright guys, now I'm just going to cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Light Ivory, and I'm just gonna use this random brush right here because my favorite cutting the crease brush, she passed away a few weeks ago. Very sad actually. I'm pretty sure Sephora doesn't even sell that brush anymore, but my friend's dog chewed it up. It's gone forever, RIP. I saw him chewing on something and I was like, no, it can't be one of my makeup brushes or any kind of my makeup, because I always put it away because I have a lot of dogs. And when my friends come over, they bring their dogs, and I looked at them and I saw it was my favorite cutting the crease brush, and I was like, no! But it was just too late, so RIP, RIP. I'm just gonna use this random brush. But I'm just gonna do that off camera because you guys have seen me do this 500,000 times in literally every one of my videos besides the everyday makeup, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we have our crease cut, I am going to take this NYX pigments, and guys, these are freaking everything. Like, I cannot believe that this is drugstore. Like, it's just amazing. So I'm going to apply that in the color Insomnia. And I'm just going to take this angled brush and apply some of this NYX primer, pigment primer. And I'm going to take it by sections and apply the primer and then apply the color over it. All over where we applied concealer. Look how freaking pretty that is, OMG. Alright guys, when I was applying the pigment, I was thinking that the lid needed like an extra pop of another color. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette and apply Sphere right in the middle of those 2 shades. My eyes are going to crease a little bit lately because my eczema has been so bad. So I'm really sorry. Like, my eye literally like folds. It's so weird. Alright guys, this is now what the eyes look like. And now I'm just going to go in with my Tarte liner and keep that tape on and wing out that liner. Now that we have that liner on, moving on to the face, I'm going to prime my skin with the Master Prime by Maybelline primer. Guys, I really don't know what I'm going to do about my freaking foundation situation. How my foundation is so much freaking tanner than I am. And I'm wearing like a shirt where like it's gonna show like this part of my chest. So, you know, I'm going to have to paint my whole freaking body today. Now that we primed up our skin, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Light Tan, which has nothing to do with my skin color right now, but it's fine. Usually when I get ready, I'm sweating, but today I'm freaking freezing. I don't know why, because I'm by a window too. Oh my god, the difference, guys. I'm literally making fun of myself right now. Like, who do I think I am? Now that I'm Donald Trump, I'm going to convert myself back to Brooke St. John by concealing my face with the Pro Conceal by LA Girl in Light Ivory. Putting that on my under both my eyes, on my forehead, bridge of the nose, and my chin. Alright, now just setting that concealer with my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Just applying that everywhere that I apply concealer. Off camera, I just quickly applied some brow gel on my brows because I don't have a lot of time to sit there and do them. But now, moving on to the lower lash line, I am going to take that ABH brush and apply these 2 shades on the lower lash line. And after we do that, I'm going to apply that yellow shade we put on our lid, Sphere, from the Prism palette, and apply that in the inner corner. I'm now just going to apply this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Turquoise in my waterline. Now I'm just going to apply the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. Alrighty, now for bronzer, I'm just going to bronze my cheeks up and my forehead with the Butter Bronzer. Moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Manny MUA Skin Frost in Uranus. And just going to apply that on my cheekbones. Bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and then over that I'm just going to apply the Kylie Jenner Wet Set, and I'm going to use this gold shade called Sweet Dream. Just apply that with my finger over that. Alright, and with this look, I don't want like a crazy colored lipstick, obviously, because our eyes are so busy, so I'm just, oh, sorry, Charles. I literally just kicked my cat. I'm sorry, I love you. So I tried to stay away from this color because I use it every freaking time. But I'm going to apply the usual Kylie Cosmetics Malibu. Alright guys, this is the final look. But before I go and change and show you guys my outfit, I'm going to show you guys how I curl a few pieces of my hair. Alright guys, so today I'm just gonna do a few pieces in the front because I don't have a lot of time. So just a few pieces we'll have to do. But I am going to do a tutorial soon on how I curl my hair. But I pretty much just use the clamp curling iron, but I use it as a wand. So I just take a chunk of my hair and then wrap it around and then leave the end of it out and leave it on. And by the way, I already have heat protected on, so make sure you guys do that. And then I just let it go. And then I like pull it and like do this at the end, and that's what really loosens it up. So again, just wrapping the hair around, leaving a section out, about that much, and then letting go and pulling it. And you always want to make sure that you're curling your hair backwards. Alright, my hair is not going to look the best, but it's fine. I'm fine. Alright, so I'm going to go change into my outfit and I'll be right back. Alright guys, sorry for the messy mirror and the messy background. We're redoing our whole entire basement, but I wanted to quickly show you guys, because I'm about to be late, my outfit and the deets on it. So my shirt is from Miss Pap. I'll link it down below. And then this bralette is from Mod Boutique. My choker is from Express, and these earrings are from Gordman's. And then my pants are from Splash Boutique. And then my shoes are my mom's, so I'm not really sure whose they are or where they're from, but I'll find out and link it down below. Alright guys, that is it for today's Get Ready With Me video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video.